All right, so a little bit about what we do. This is the pink top stuff we were talking about. So the guys will spray things down, spray phones down, literally. Keyboards will come around to the front counter. If we're not wiping, we're taking the spray and we are cleaning, disinfecting. And then we'll come over to the handles, like on the door, and we'll make sure that, come around here, Paul. Come on the outside. Same thing on the outside. All these handles, even the mailman, making sure they're protected as well. Here's our drop box. We were talking about the drop box. This is the drop box where you can, there's envelopes in here. Those pens down there, Paul pulls them out, sprays them, makes sure everything's clean. So this is one of our company cars. This is the shuttle car. Some of you might be familiar with it. We keep them as clean as possible. So this is the Frigifresh product that we got. So we will take this after picking somebody up, dropping somebody off. We'll take this and we will deodorize everything in our car and the loaner cars. We're not going to directly spray anything on your steering wheel. We don't want to damage any of the leather product unless you request it. But on our cars, we're going to make sure they're clean. So these are our company cars, so we're going to make sure that this stuff is all clean. Our loaner cars that you drive, same thing goes there. We'll even do trunks. So if somebody takes a loaner car out, when it gets back, we're going to go ahead and deodorize. If somebody had luggage in there from you know, they're at airport, who knows where they're at. So we're going to make sure it's as clean as possible. So again, we got the pink top, and then we got the Frigifresh, and again, we got those little bottles available. So you gotta request those. Certain services you get the little bottles. It's I think we're running it to April 3rd with the vendor, and we got it worked out with the vendor. So the technicians have the pink top stuff, the hospital grade in the shop. The lifts that they're using, they do have gloves on, but the lifts that they're using, we'll spray these down. But if they're working on the cars, they do have the gloves on as they're working on the cars. So as they touch equipment, James hasn't put his gloves on yet. But as they touch equipment, we will clean screens and buttons and tools and whatever we have to. Come over here, Paul. Something like a battery charger even. The handles get cleaned. Even the door into our office that the techs use to go in and out and the advisors use to go in and out. These get sprayed down. Just everything is sanitary. Come on back. All the way back to a back office computer. Keyboards get sprayed down, the mouse gets sprayed down, the door handles get sprayed down, whatever we're touching, it's getting sprayed down. We have jump packs over here, right? These handles. They're all getting sprayed down. We have computer systems. We have tons of computer systems going on here, and they're all getting keyboards sprayed down. Any touchable surfaces, they're going to all get sprayed down. So we're doing what we can to prevent the spread.